How to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. To start off, open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From the menu, select your activity. After that, scroll down to how you use Instagram section. Here select time spent and choose sleep mode. To turn on sleep mode on Instagram, simply toggle the switch to on position. Next, select your preferred start and end time. This will set a time period when the sleep mode should automatically turn on and off. Furthermore, choose the days of week when you want the sleep mode to be active. Finally, hit save to confirm and apply your changes. Finally, sleep mode will now automatically activate during your chosen times, and just like that, you now know how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram.